Welcome everyone back to my YouTube channel. Today I will introduce to everyone an Instagram automation software. It will save you a lot of time and effort while reaching thousands of people every day. Let's watch the entire video to see how it works. The software will help you manage an unlimited number of Instagram accounts. And here there are many features such as automatic message sending and message management. Interactive script. This is a feature to feed Instagram accounts like real users. Along with that, there are many good features here such as posting, commenting, seeding, and sharing posts automatically. Update account information and scan data. In this video, I will introduce to everyone the mass texting feature. First, we will scan the data. I will scan the usernames by keywords here. After that, we will copy the usernames we just scanned and paste it here. This is the part where you can add content. Of course, you can send messages with images. Finally, we just need to select the content we want to send, select the account list, and press the Start button. And that's it. The software will do its job. I will leave my contact information below in the comments. If you are interested, please message me. See you in the next videos.